Welcome back, loyalties. Miss Monificent here. Thank you all so much for joining me. Happy Monday. Although it may be Tuesday when you see this video, but I'm going to say happy Monday anyhow. I'm so excited for today's video because these are one of my favorite videos. Well, all of my videos are my favorite. I don't know. Yeah, well, these are one of the DIYs are a little bit harder because you're trying to figure out what maybe you all want to see and what may be useful to you all, where versus these tours are just, you know, me showing you what I've done with my place and I threw together what I like. So these are one of my favorite videos to watch on YouTube. I'm going to say that, okay? Anywho, so today I am bringing you all my spring home tour refresh of 2019 video. I'm so excited for this video because I stepped outside it myself. Now, normally I try to stay with a little bit of neutrals and this one color that I always like, which is like that teal color. And then my last spring refresh home tour, I stuck with a lot of neutrals, but I decided to bring in some pops of color, and I am so glad I did because I love it. I mean, it just makes me feel happy, like super happy. Whenever I walk in, I just feel happy. I don't know, I feel like spring is here, even though we still have like some up and down weather. It's a little cold here or whatever, but I feel the spring in my atmosphere. But anywho, yeah, so I brought in some pops of color, which really brightened up the place, especially since I have dark furniture. Now, a disclaimer, my place is small, and if you're not new, then you know that, as well as I don't have two rooms, for like one for a living room and one for a family room. They are both into one, so I had to incorporate style as well as comfort for my family. So yeah, I will be showing you like my entranceway area, the living room, as well as the dining area, all of that, except for I won't be touring like any bedrooms, and I will be leaving my kitchen out of this video because my kitchen, I haven't done anything different because I'm still waiting on a few things. So most likely I will bring that video on another day separately, which is good because it gives me a reason to come visit you all. So yeah, I'll bring that video separately once I get everything together and give it a really good deep clean, because right now it's clean but it ain't clean. But anywho, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you do, then go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I always appreciate it. If you are visiting, come on, stay a while, hit that loyal button down below. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications, because you know, I don't know, every time I put up a video, I'm like, where is my peoples? Like, where my people at? I know I've been MIA, but y'all, I am back, okay? So come visit me. Anywho, I will see you all in my next video. I hope you guys have a great week, and God bless. I'm just doing an intro.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you.
Okay, let me do my intro and then you can come back for me.